If you are experiencing the issue of missing Face ID and passcode settings on your iPhone, don't worry. In this guide, I will show you some simple solutions to fix this problem and regain access to your Face ID and passcode settings. Let's dive in. Method 1. Update iOS. Make sure your iPhone is up to date with the latest iOS. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap Software Update. Now, if you find any updates, please update your iPhone. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often, only giving a simple restart on the iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 3. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down again, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, turn off content and privacy restrictions. Method 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, tap Reset all settings again. I trust that one of these methods will successfully resolve the issue. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to show your support by liking it and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.